Serairo School of Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Bengaluru and Mangaluru. Admissions open for professional diploma courses. Apply now at www.serairo.com.
So, Fahad Fasil oda பண்ணும்போது what was the equation?
I hear he's done such brilliant job with his dubbing also,
Okay.
which is crazy, and I'm just waiting to see. But I really like Fahad sir's look in the film also, like mental stuff.
Party leda Pushpa.
Allu Arjun sir.
Now, if you ask me, would you want to do another film with him? I would say for the next 100 films, I'd want to do a film with him. I love him as a co-star.
பொறாமைக்குள்ள நபர்களை வந்து நீங்க எப்படி பாக்குறீங்க?
I am happy. Take it. Be happy. Keep smiling. That I know he's a mind-blowing dancer. Sami Samila vandu, if I have to dance with sir, I'm like nervous. But I realized that this song only he doesn't dance as much. So I was like, Amma, thank God I'm saved. I was comfortable with Kannada. I did Telugu films. I'm comfortable doing Tamil films. Now I'm going to Hindi. I'm checking out a new market. Tomorrow I might do an English film and I'll still be comfortable. But I just don't want to stay in one particular comfort zone. I want to explore, and that's the kind of person I am.
ரஷ்மிகா மந்தனா ஒரு அழகான பர்ஃபார்மர் உள்ள ஒரு நடிகை. ஸோ உங்களை நாங்கள் வந்து ஓனிடா டிவியோட கம்பேர் பண்ணுவோம். என்னென்னா ஓனிடாவோட ஆட் என்னென்னா ஓனஸ் ப்ரைட் நெய்பர்ஸ் என்வி. ஸோ நீங்கள் உங்கள் மீது உங்கள் வளர்ச்சியிலோ உங்கள் அழகிலையோ பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ்லையோ பொறாமைக்குள்ள நபர்களை வந்து நீங்கள் எப்படி பார்க்குறீங்க?
I am happy. Take it.
Take it.
Take it. Be happy. Keep smiling.
ஸோ ஃபகத் ஃபாசிலோட பண்ணும்போது what was the equation?
Oh, for me, I still unfortunately did not get to face Fahad sir in, I think, this part. But I hear there's going to be a lot in the second part. But I hear he's done such brilliant job with his dubbing also,
Okay.
which is crazy, and I'm just waiting to see. But I really like Fahad sir's look in the film also, like mental stuff.
அல்லு அர்ஜுன் சார் அந்த கெமிஸ்ட்ரி எப்படி இருந்தது? ஒன்று. ரெண்டாவது, நீங்கள் அவர் படங்கள் நிறைய பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, அவரோட டான்ஸ் இது பார்த்துருக்கீங்க. ஆனால் ஒரு பாட்டில், இந்த சாமி சாமி பாட்டில் அவர் டான்ஸ் ஆடாமல் நீங்களே டான்ஸ் ஆடிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. How do you do?
I think now if you ask me, would you want to do another film with him? I would say for the next 100 films, I'd want to do a film with him.
Okay.
You know, I'm that comfortable with him. I love him as a co-star. So I think, you know, that's the chemistry about with Bunny sir, and the chemistry has worked out really well. I think Sukku sir is like our chemistry, the scenes between you and Bunny sir has come out really well. So I'm waiting to see. Yeah. Of course, Saw and na scenes lo vandu I'm only laughing.
Okay.
Looking at you know, our chemistry, our mischievousness, our love, our passion, everything. I'm only, you know, enjoying it. So I'm sure audience are going to enjoy it. But yeah, that's regarding the chemistry. And I've watched so many of Bunny sir's films that I know he's a mind-blowing dancer. So I was like, Sami Samila vandu ipo sir to like if I have to dance with sir, I'm like nervous. But I realized that in Sami Sami, in this song only, he doesn't dance as much. So I was like, Amma, thank God I'm saved. I think despite of that also, Sami Sami song lo vandu, I think every particular what do you say, every particular step, every particular choreography, sir was present. Anna, he was present out of like behind the scenes, helping me do Sami Sami song, and all the credits goes to him. The music is DSP Garu, the choreography is Shekhar sir, but I think the mastermind of the whole song is Sukku sir and Bunny sir. I give all credits to them.
Then you mentioned about DSP sir.
Yeah.
He has given a numerous hit about that. Rajalakshmi has given a beautiful voice for Sami Sami.
Yeah.
About the DSP and Rajalakshmi.
I think it's a perfect combo. I think it's a what do you say, water and milk combo. Like they go in really well, honey and milk combo. But I'm so glad that I get to work with DSP Garu. I've worked with him for my films before, and ipo theriyum, for a very long time we'll be working together, and it's exciting because I think before we started Pushpa only, DSP Garu he came to me and he's like, I'm going to give you one song which is mind blowing. You have to perform really well. And I hope I've made him proud with the performance. I'm like, sir, I'll perform well. And sonna. And I was like, after performing, I was like, did I match up to his expectations? But I think he, sort of messaged me and he's like, you've done it really well. So I'm just happy.
About Rajalakshmi.
Oh, her voice. Like, I think Sami is going so well because of the singers we have, because of the emotion in their voice. I think it's worked out really well, like I said.
Rashmika Mandanna is irreplaceable.
I think more than trying to create the best impression before you leave, I think it's more like being the real you is the best impression that you can make. So I don't think irreplaceable na, you can't be replaced by anybody, and this everyone knows, unless and until you're trying to pretend to be somebody else, which I don't think a lot of us do anyway. So yeah.
See, பொதுவா வந்து வேகமா ஓடுறத விட தொடர்ந்து ஓடணும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, லாங் டைம்.
Yeah.
ஸோ இது இண்டஸ்ட்ரி பார்த்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் அ மேல் டாமினேட்டட் அந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரி. ஸோ ஒரு ஹீரோயினோட லைஃப்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஸ்மால் பேன் ஆஃப் டைம். இதில் நீங்கள் எப்படி சஸ்டெயின் பண்ண முடியும்னு நீங்கள் நினைக்கிறீங்க? அதுக்கு என்ன மெனக்கெடெல்லாம் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு நீங்கள்?
I think it's changed a lot now. இப்போ வந்து ரொம்ப சேஞ்ச் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. And also, as much as we say it's a male dominated society, which is true, but
Not society, about the films.
About films, I think we have filmmakers, we have heroes, we have production teams which are so supportive now. I think all these short span of heroines, or the heroines will last only 5 to 7 years, or they'll last 10 to 15. It's not there anymore. I think it was one sort of a mentality. I think we've overgrown it, and now people don't care about the age, people care about the talent. It can break barriers of language, it can break barriers of age, it can break barriers of any sort of societal norms that we are at. And talent matters.
Exactly.
Like what makes an actor a superstar is the choices they make, and the sustainability they have, the patience they have, and the learning capacity they have over the generations also. So I don't think something as simple as male dominated like film industry or a heroine ka gap or the age or all of that matters anymore. So yeah, I think it's all gone.
So the women-centric films, it is not so much like before. So what do you feel about that?
Women, they will of course do the film. Now there are so many films like Mahanati which is happening, and there are films like U-turns in both the languages which are happening. All of this is like, oh baby, like all of this is happening now. So it's not like, a extremely, what do you say, impossible task.
Yeah.
People will come to watch a woman who's the hero of the film. And I think in the future generations also, they're going to be equal female-oriented films as their male-oriented films. But in the end of the day, it's a film.
Yeah.
It's a story that you're trying to say. If the story is good, it'll work. If the story, okay, it's good, but the timing is off, that is off, this is off, film might not work as well. So it is just that. If you give out a good, wonderful film, you're looking at a blockbuster.
ஸோ ராஷ்மிகா மந்தனாவோட பர்சனல் கேரக்டர் ராஷ்மிகாவுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும். அந்த பொண்ணு ஸ்ரீவல்லியா எப்படி மாறுச்சு?
ஸ்ரீவல்லி, எனக்கு வந்து ஐ ஹவ் நோ ஐடியா. நான் ஸ்ரீவல்லி எப்படி பண்ணேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியாதுங்க. லைக் ஐ ஃபீல் லைக் ஸ்ரீவல்லி இஸ் சம்திங் தட் ஒன்லி சுகுமார் சார் அண்ட் பன்னி சார் ஹவ் சீன் that I, as Rashmika, could do some character like Srivalli. I think Srivalli ரொம்ப different இருக்கு. And I am excited. I think I will surprise myself when I see myself on screen. So yeah, Srivalli is very different. Anna, I think somehow I have like changed into that character. Yeah.
Rashmika Mandana want to become an actor or want to become a star?
I want to become an actor.
Actor.
I want to live in people's hearts for generations together.
Okay.
Like star, I could be a star while I'm an actor, so I'd choose an actor.
Actor. So you started with Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, now you are going. So different languages, different people's different cultures. How do you adapt yourself?
I think I've always been this person who's gone beyond my boundaries and tried something new. I never get too comfortable with something that I'm doing right now. So right now I'm extremely comfortable with Telugu. So it does not mean I will do something which I'm always going to be comfortable with. I was comfortable with Kannada. I did Telugu films. Now I'm comfortable with Telugu. I'm comfortable doing Tamil films. Now I'm going to Hindi. I'm checking out a new market. I'm seeing how the audience there are, the filmmaking there is. So it's always like I want to extend my capacities and I want to see what more can I do. Like tomorrow I might do an English film and I'll still be comfortable. But I just don't want to stay in one particular comfort zone. I want to explore, and that's the kind of person I am.
Yeah.
Like I've been doing it since my second film, literally, in the industries. So I like learning languages. I like doing something extremely hard as Pushpa. Just really, really working hard. But when you watch it on screen, you're like, it's worth it, bro. So December 17th, Pushpa is releasing. What can you expect from the film? I think you can expect to enter into a whole new different universe, which is going to be extremely catchy, extremely entertaining, extremely emotional, but at the same time extremely sensible, right? And one thing I'll say is, you come to the theatre for us stars. To one extent, that's okay, but when you enter into the film, when you enter into this world, you'll only see the characters that we are playing. You'll see Pushparaj, you'll see Srivalli, you'll see all the characters we're playing, and it's like I'm saying, you're going to enter into a whole new universe. So I think it's going to be really, really amusing. I was stunned, so I think you will also be stunned. And yeah, it's releasing on the 17th, so
Serairo School of Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Bengaluru and Mangaluru. Admissions open for professional diploma courses. Apply now at www.serairo.com.